Hello students, today we are going to learn about chapter 4 Basic Geometrical Ideas. Student, we start our chapter with some basic information about point, line, line segment, ray, intersecting line and parallel line. We start our basic information with point. So a point is a mark of position and it represents an exact location. A points are denoted by capital letters. Example, in the adjoining figure, A, B, C are represents 3 points. Students, you can see in this figure a point has no dimensions, that means it has no length, breadth or thickness. Students, we are going to write it. We have to write point A, point B, point C. Students, for better idea, you can see that here the example of point. Point of pencil, point of cone and the tip of the compass. So it is called a point. Now we are going to learn about line segment. It is a straight path connecting 2 points. The 2 points are called the end point of the line segment. A line segment contains finite number of points. It is fixed distance between 2 points on a line. Symbolically, we written it as A, B and this. And we read it as line AB. Line segment AB. And we can also write this as B, line segment BA. Students, this line is known as line segment. So when in any parts of when you see this line, that is called a line segment and it has 2 endpoints. The distance between 2 points is called the length of the segment. Students, we are easily measure a line segment. We use a ruler. Now we are going to learn about ray. A ray contains an infinite number of points. A ray has one endpoint. Students, you can see that in this picture of where the sun rays, there are only single way, and so we can say that a ray has one endpoint. The other end of the ray is extended indefinitely. We read it as ray PQ. Students, in line segment, we read it as line segment AB or line segment BA. But in ray, we do not read it as PQ. And the symbol of ray is, for example, here you can see that PQ. So we are going to write it this way. And here the one endpoint and the other point is extendedly indefinite. A ray has no defined length. Students, we are not going to measure it like line segment. Students, you can see in this adjoining figure that ray. And you can see here it is symbolically written as there. Students, Here, for better idea, you can see the light of torch, the ray of sun. Now we are going to learn about line. A line contains an infinite number of points. Students, the arrow at the end at the given line indicates that it has no beginning and no ends. That line extends in both directions. Read it as line AB. Students, you can see that here already write down. So we are able to read it as line AB or line BA. Students, it's symbolically written as line AB. We can also name and read line by single small letters. For example, you can see here this adjoining figure, and we are going to read it as line L. Students, you are also able to write line BA. When you see these two arrows, that you are able to understand that this symbol of line. Now we are going to learn about parallel lines. Two lines that are same distance and do not meet are called parallel lines. The distance between two parallel lines always remains the same. We are going to read it as line AB is parallel to line CD. But for that you can see this adjoining figure. Students, you can see that these two parallel lines do not meet each other. We are going to read it as line AB is parallel to line CD, but we are going to write it symbolically, and that is AD parallel to CD. Students, this line is known as parallel line. For example, you can see here the lines of railway tracks are parallel. They are not meet. Now we are going to learn about intersecting lines. So when two lines meet at one point, they are called intersecting lines. In this adjoining picture, you can see that line M and line N intersect each other at point P. The lines which are not parallel are called intersecting lines. The points at which two lines intersect is called at point of intersection. You can see it is a intersect at point P. Here we can see that line L, M and line N intersect at point P. Hence, we say that line L and M are called intersecting line. And because you can see here point P is a point of intersection. Now, your basic information about these things is completely clear. Now we are going to take a quick revisions of all things which we already learned. Point dimension has 0. Graphically it is point and the symbol of it is point A. Line segment is only one dimensions and graphic you can see here and symbol. Ray also one dimensions. Graphically it is denoted by like this. And it is written as A, B. Next line and again it is a one dimensions, and graphic is known as this way, and symbolical is also. I hope students today's video is going to be very important for you, because the symbols and the how to pretend and how to understand all the basic geometrical ideas is completely clear, and in our next video we are going to continue to understand for more information. So take care. Thank you.